गिर रहा है क्या? गिर रहा है क्या? नहीं गिरा, देख। धीरा धीरे होता जाएगा तो गिरेगा, वरना गिरेगा नहीं। नहीं आया। सवाल वही कि पहले नहीं गिरा, पहले
गिरा। क्या बोला था? जीतू भैया और फिजिक्स कभी गलत नहीं हो सकते। अरे भैया भैया 1-4 फीस कितनी बार दी थी? मैं बोलूं 1-4
and let it go. Well, we all know it will happen. Clunk. It's clear. All right. But now I'm going to spin it before I let it go. Where's the wheel? The wheel is here. So we'll spin it up, and then we'll put it in here. Notice the way I'm spinning it. I'm holding it away from you now. I'm going to change it and do it differently next. There it goes. About 10 seconds. Isn't that amazing? And it rotates seen from below clockwise. Now it's going this way, and I'm going to redo the experiment, changing the direction of rotation, and then it will go the other way around. And now the angular momentum, is it rotating like this, is pointing here. Spin angular momentum is pointing like this. Torque is like this, and so the spin angular momentum is chasing that torque. I'm the spin angular momentum, I'm the torque.